The moment this silver-black motorhome rolls into the frame, it doesn't look like a vehicle, it looks like a concept NASA forgot to announce. A moving spacecraft sculpted in polished silver, riding low on multi-wheel turbines and wrapped in warm golden lighting that glows like a traveling horizon. The body curves like liquid metal, reflecting the world around it in soft distorted waves, making it seem as if the landscape bends out of respect while it passes. It feels less like a motorhome and more like a futuristic mansion, compressed, refined, aerodynamic, and designed for someone who refuses to travel in anything ordinary. Now let's step inside, because this is where the future really begins. The first space you enter is the bedroom, compact, yes, but crafted so intelligently that every curve feels intentional. The walls flow in smooth satin silver arcs, wrapped with deep black accents that make the whole room feel like a private suite on a next-gen aircraft. The bed isn't a traditional shape, instead, it floats in a soft oval form, hovering above a matte black base with warm white and golden light breathing from below. The headboard rises behind it like a sculpted wave of black glass, glowing gently around the edges. Soft shadows slide across the room as the warm LEDs adjust subtly, creating the sense that the motorhome syncs its ambience with your presence. There's a panoramic tinted window stretching along the wall, built so seamlessly into the design that it looks like part of the architecture itself. Even the ceiling feels futuristic, layered silver plates drifting like suspended wings, each trimmed with golden light. It's small, it's sleek, and it feels impossibly premium. Right beside it, the dressing area continues the same aesthetic but with a boutique-like mood. Black mirror wardrobe doors curve in an arc, catching reflections in warm golden streaks. Some doors slide open with a gentle whisper, revealing neatly lit shelves, bags, clothes, shoes, all perfectly organized under soft warm white internal lighting. It feels like a compressed luxury boutique hidden inside a spacecraft. A floating vanity console sits beneath a frameless mirror, glowing softly around the bottom edge. The details feel intentional, perfume bottles arranged neatly, a silver tray holding essentials, and a minimal stool tucked perfectly beneath. Even the small tinted window blends seamlessly, adding light without disrupting the mood. It doesn't feel like a dressing room in a motorhome, it feels like the backstage suite of a luxury runway show. From there, the space opens into the lounge, a compact but luxurious living area shaped with matte black curves and silver trims that outline the room like contour lines of a concept car. A crescent-shaped sofa in soft beige wraps gently with the shape of the wall, designed not just for seating but for the visual flow of the interior. The panoramic black glass window strip washes the room in a subtle warm glow from the golden LEDs embedded around it. A floating coffee table sits at the center, simple, elegant, with a tiny vase of white flowers adding just enough softness to contrast the futuristic look. The sofa lighting breathes subtly as if reacting to your presence. Every angle is cinematic. Every corner feels intentional. Even the stairs, trimmed with golden LED edges, rise into the next level like you're walking up into a spacecraft bridge. Now step into the kitchen, and the design shifts from cozy to professional. Satin silver lower cabinets blend with glossy jet black upper modules, each one lined with thin golden LEDs that make the whole space feel alive. The countertop is shaped like an aerodynamic wing, dark stone, smooth curves, a circular sink on one side and a sleek induction cooktop on the other. A small dining ledge extends from the counter with two compact stools tucked beneath, perfectly matching the silver-black color palette. Even the smallest elements, a teapot, 2 cups, a tiny plant, carry the same soft glow that ties the entire interior together. A tinted window strip adds depth without breaking the clean lines. It feels like a spaceship galley redesigned by a luxury hotel. Next is the executive office, compact but powerful. Matte black walls defined with aerodynamic silver arcs wrap around a floating wing-shaped desk. Underneath, a warm glow adds depth without overwhelming the space. On the desk sits a laptop, 2 books, a matte black coffee mug, and a small vase with a single white flower. The chair, silver charcoal with golden stitching, looks like it belongs to a tech CEO who just landed from orbit. Subtle golden LEDs line the shelves, giving the whole office a warm, dignified energy. Even here, the ambience responds subtly, lighting softens when you sit, brightens when you stand. It's small but feels like a command center for someone who never stops working, even while traveling the world. The bathroom keeps the luxury theme but upgrades it into something cleaner and sleeker. Satin silver walls curve softly, framed with matte black accents and a glowing golden halo behind the frameless mirror. The floating white vanity holds a minimalist basin while a curved shower cabin sits elegantly in the corner, tinted with black glass and trimmed in silver. The lighting is soft and controlled, reflecting off the graphite floor in warm tones. It's compact, modern, and hyper-premium, exactly what you'd expect in a motorhome designed like a spacecraft suite. Then comes one of the most surprising parts of this motorhome, the indoor mini-spa. Hidden inside a silver-white curved chamber, this small oval pool glows with golden underwater lighting. There's a built-in sitting ledge shaped into the pool's architecture, almost sculptural in form. A black glass panel reflects the water gently, adding depth to the room. Warm white lights fill the ceiling in soft oval shapes, creating a private spa environment that feels nothing like a vehicle. For a moment, you forget you're inside something that actually moves. You could sit here for hours, letting the soft glow reflect off the water while the outside world fades completely away. Behind that is the gym, a compact, realistic workout space. Matte black and silver trims frame the room. A full treadmill and rowing machine sit neatly along the walls, their design matching the motorhome's aesthetic with black and silver accents. A small rack of chrome dumbbells sits beside them, all under warm, diffused ceiling lights. It's clean, functional, and crafted to feel like a private fitness pod for travelers who take both luxury and their health seriously. Even the lighting here adapts, warmer when you enter, brighter when you work, softer when you cool down. And finally, the cockpit. Straight on, futuristic, minimal. The dashboard blends matte black surfaces with a satin silver arc, lined with a thin golden LED strip that runs across like a horizon of light. Two pilot seats in silver gray leather sit beneath the large panoramic windshield. The digital cluster glows crisp and modern inside a glossy housing. The ceiling curves above in smooth silver panels, softly lit. Standing here, it doesn't feel like you're about to drive a motorhome, it feels like you're preparing for atmospheric re-entry. Would you take control of a machine like this, or would you rather sit back and enjoy the ride inside your own moving luxury universe? Because in a motorhome like this, you're not just traveling, you're making the world turn its head every single mile you pass. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more futuristic luxury vehicles, because the next masterpiece is already on the way.